Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. On the SEI chart, we've seen the price reach the 50% retracement of our upper support region. And yeah, we've seen a small first reaction. Bitcoin is still sort of in sell-off mode. Have seen a few green candles in the last hour or so. That has positively impacted SEI. However, it's not enough really or not sufficient enough, this move to the upside to really suggest that the price has formed a low there in this B wave. What I wanted to do just to adjust here the support area accordingly, and then just to highlight, one second, let me think. Oh no, just need to double check something. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. That's all good. Support area is okay. So yeah, what we want is that the price does really hold this yellow support zone. I've just shifted it slightly. I think it was off a little bit, but support is holding. We've got the upper support zone. We've got the lower support zone. They are both relevant. It's just that below the upper support zone, so if we see a break below 68.5 cents, basically, the white count will become less likely. Not invalidated until, however, that B wave low breaks below the beginning of the A wave. That would be at around 61.3 cents. But the white count, if we see further declines and if the upper support area is broken to the downside, it will probably just morph into the yellow count and the lower support region will be tested, which is defined between 63.6 cents and 52 cents. So, we are moving in a range. I've mentioned before, this is a great chart for range traders, adding in support, selling in resistance. That's sort of what we see here at the moment on this chart. It's reacting to the support regions. It has been doing that for the last few weeks and actually a couple of months. So support areas are being respected. As long as the price is holding above the lower support region, or let's say above the 52 cent level, I don't see anything bearish on this chart, okay? It's a huge range, yep, and it's getting frustrating for many, but for range traders, this is fantastic because you have a very, very well-defined range. It's just that what can be frustrating is that this chart fails to form 5 waves to the upside. You see, this rally was in 3 waves, this rally was in 3 waves, but that's precisely why we stay in a range, because we don't see any further impulses to the upside at the moment, but also the movements to the downside are corrective in 3 waves. Very simple. 3 waves, 3 waves. This is also at the moment a 3-wave move. And therefore, as long as the pullbacks remain corrective in nature, which means as long as they stay corrective structures and 3-wave movements, further upside remains a valid expectation. It's just that obviously the risk is with this chart apparently that it dips back into the support. So, is that risk or is that an opportunity? It's an opportunity because basically buying in support, selling into resistance, buying in support, selling into resistance. You could even activate a grid bot here in this region. But the thing is, it's already now very protracted, this wave 4 correction. So it could move up at any point, right? So I'm not sure how useful the grid bot is, but it's ready to start wave C of 3, I think. It just needs to show us a little bit more action because this is not yet convincing enough, okay? So you could just easily draw a trend line here. And as long as we stay below that trend line, there's really nothing that would tell me that the C wave to the upside has started other than maybe a green candle. So let's see if we can get a breakout done. And then we would be looking at a possible target for wave C as the 100% extension level of wave A, which topped here recently at $1.15. And that would take us to $1.42 next, most likely in wave C. Now, that doesn't mean the C wave needs to stop there, but it's basically the next key target, right? And yeah, a C wave can even overshoot that slightly. Go beyond that. We've got $1.65, $1.81 as targets just after that. So if we can't move up, then yeah, this B wave might extend a bit. And if we break below 68.5 cents, it becomes more likely that wave 4 never finished. And then it will be a very, very complex wave 4. But that's okay. As long as we don't break below 52 cents, that's all still within the realm of possibilities here. And I can only highlight we have 2 support areas only if we break below 52 cents. Yeah, then I have something more bearish on this chart. Until then, I would actually like to see the price reach sort of the maybe even the low $2 range in this next move to the upside. That's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.